Sixth one, an exercise problem. Consider the binary operation. Instead of a star, they have denoted like this. An operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by A star B equals minimum of A and B. Minimum of A and B. Write the operation table for the operation star. See, solution. This is a binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the composition table or Cayley's table is, here we write the operation, topmost row, the elements of the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the column. See, 1 star 1. A star B means what? Minimum of A and B. 1 star 1 means minimum of 1 and 1 is 1 only. Minimum of 1 and 2, 1. Minimum of 1 and 3, 1, 1, 1. Then minimum of 2 and 1, 1. Minimum of 2 and 2, 2. Minimum of 2 and 3, 2. Minimum of 2 and 4 is 2. Minimum of 2 and 5 is 2. Then come to 3. 3 star 1. 3, minimum of 3 and 1 is 1. Minimum of 3 and 2 is 2. Minimum of 3 and 3, 3. 3 and 4 is 3. Minimum of 3 and 5 is 3. 4 and 1 minimum is 1. Minimum of 2, 4 and 2, 2. Minimum of 4 and 3 is 3. Minimum of 4 and 4 is 4 only. 4 and 5 is 4. Then minimum of 5 and 1, 1. 5 and 2, 2. 3, 4, 5. So this is the composition table. Okay. The seventh one, an exercise problem again. Let star be the binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by A star B is equal to highest common factor of A and B. There minimum of A and B, here HCF of A and B. Write the operation table for the operation star. Under that we have 3 cases. Compute 2 star 3 star 4 and 2 star 3 star 4. Number B, is star commutative? Number C, compute 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. Solution. Star is a binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the composition table or Cayley's table is like this. The operation star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the column. Now 1 star 1, it is defined as HCF of A and B, HCF of A and B. Highest common factor of 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 2 is 1. 1 and 3 is 1. 1 and 4 is 1. 1 and 5 is also 1. Highest common factor of 2 and 1 is 1. 2 and 2 is 2. Highest common factor of 2 and 3 is 1. 2 and 4. Highest common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. 2 and 5 is 1. Next, highest common factor of 3 star 1 is 1. 3 star 2, highest common factor of 3 and 2 is 1. 3 star 3 means 3 only. Highest common factor of 3 and 4 is 1. Highest common factor of 3 and 5 is also 1. Then come to 4. 4 star 1 is 1. 4 and 2, highest common factor is 2. 4 and 3, highest common factor is 1. 4 and 4, highest common factor is 4. Then 4 and 5 means 1. Then 5 and 1, highest common factor is 1. 5 and 2, 1. 5 and 3, 1. 5 and 4, 1. 5 and 5, highest common factor is 5. This is the composition table for the defined operation. A star B means highest common factor of A and B. HCF of A and B they have defined. Now let us see 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star, observe 3 star 4, 3, 4. 3 star 4 means we have 1 here. It is nothing but 2 star 1 now. 2 star 1 means it is 1. Come to this 2 star 3. 2 star 3. 2 star 3 means 1 we have star 4. Correct enough? So now 1 star 4. 1 star 4 is 1. So clearly A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Associative actually. Then you need to verify commutative. See the table along, this is the principal diagonal, this is the principal diagonal. If you fold along the principal diagonal, coinciding elements are same. Coinciding elements are same. Correct enough? So the table is symmetric about the principal diagonal. Symmetric about the principal diagonal. Therefore, star is commutative. This is enough. Okay. Since the table is symmetric about the principal diagonal, star is commutative. Let us calculate this. 2 star 3. 2 star 3. That is 1. Star 4 star 5. 4 star 5. 4 star 5 means 1. Then 1 star 1 is 1 only. That's it. Eighth one, an exercise problem. Let star be the binary operation on the set of naturals given by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B, least common multiple of A and B. Find number A, 5 star 7 and 20 star 16. Number B, is star commutative? Number C, is star associative? D, find the identity of star and n natural numbers. E, which element of n are invertible for the operation star? For the operation star. See here they have given this in the year 15, supplementary 17 and annual 20. In the first main actually in 1 mark section, and of course this is 15 and 17. Let us see the solution. Given A star B equals LCM of A and B for all A comma B belongs to natural number. 5 star 7 is equal to LCM of 5 and 7. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? 35. LCM of 7 and 5 is also 35. That's all the answer. So appeared 3 times. And 20 star 16. A star B means what? LCM of A and B. 20 star 16 means LCM of 20 and 16. So prime number in the divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. So 2 10 times 8 times again with the 2 5 4. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, 20 into 4 80. So LCM of 20 and 16 is 80. Appear twice, supplementary 15 and annual 17 in the first main. Is a star commutative? We are supposed to verify that. For all A and B belongs to set of natural numbers, A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. B star A is LCM of B and A. Both are same only. A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Why? Because LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. LCM of 7 and 5 is also 35. That's why A star B equals B star A. So, star is commutative. Let us verify associative law. For all three elements A, B, C belongs to set of natural numbers, then A star, B star, C. B star C means what? A star, B star C is LCM of B and C. So, A star, LCM of B and C is nothing but LCM of A, B, C. Say some equation 1. And A star, B star, C. Instead of A star B, LCM of A and B star C. This is just like A star B, LCM of A and B and C. Say some equation 2. From 1 and 2, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is associative. Next, we know that the LCM of 1 and A is A only. LCM of 1 and A is A. That is 1 star A equals A. This is of the form E star A equals A, by definition of identity, E star A equals A star E equals A. Therefore, E is the identity element. What is E here? E is equal to 1 is the identity element. Again, by inverse law, for all an element A belongs to the set of naturals, there exists inverse of A inverse. So, A star A inverse is equal to A. So, A star A inverse is equal to E actually. A star A inverse is equal to E. So, A is 1, A inverse is also 1. This is of the form E is 1, So, 1 is the invertible. 1 is invertible and its inverse is 1. 10th one, an exercise problem. Is a star defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B is a binary operation. Justify your answer. Solution. The given set S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the operation is defined like this. A star B equals LCM of A and B. Then the composition table star, topmost row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the column 1 star 1. LCM of 1 and 1 is 1. LCM of 1 and 2, 2. 1 and 3, 3. 1 and 4, 4. 1 and 5, 5. LCM of 2 and 1, 2. LCM of 2 and 2, 2. LCM of 2 and 3, 6. 2 and 4, 4. 2 and 5 is 10. Whereas LCM of 3 and 1, 3. Least common multiple of A and B. So 3 star 2 is 6. 3 star 3. LCM of 3 and 3 is 3 only. LCM of 3 and 4, 12. LCM of 3 and 5, 15. Then LCM of 4 and 1, 4. 4 and 2 is 4, 4 and 3, 12, 4 and 4 is 4 only, 4 and 5, 20. LCM of 5 and 1, 5, 5 and 2, 10, 5 and 3, 15, 5 and 4, 20, 5 and 5 is 5 only. See, the elements in the composition table 15, 12, 20, these are all not belongs to the set. Yes. So, all the entries in the table are not in the set. Entries in the table, all the entries in the table does not belongs to the set. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. 11th one, an exercise problem. Let star be a binary operation on the set Q of rational numbers as follows. Number A star B equals A minus B. Number B, A star B equals A square plus B square. Number C, A star B equals A plus AB. D, A star B equals A minus B whole square. Appeared in 14 paper supplementary. E, A star B equals AB by 4. A star B equals AB square. Find which of the binary operation, these binary operations are commutative and associative. For these defined operation, you need to verify commutative property and associative property. Also find the identity element if it exists. Solution. Number A, given A star B equals A minus B, for all A comma B belongs to Q. Let us verify commutative law. For all two elements A and B belongs to the set Q, then A star B equals A minus B. B star A equals B minus A. This implies A minus B and B minus A are not equal. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2 plus 1. So 1 and minus 1 are not same, So A star B not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative. Not commutative. Let us verify associative law. For all A, B, C, three elements belongs to the set A star, B star, C. B star C can be written as B minus C. A star B minus C. That is just like A star X, let us say. A minus X. Replace minus of B minus C means A minus B minus of minus plus C. Say some equation 1. And A star B star C is equal to, A star B means what? A minus B star C. So that is nothing but A minus B minus C. Call it as equation 2. From 1 and 2, this and this are not equal. Therefore, star is not associative. Star is not associative. Let us verify identity law. For all an element A belongs to the set Q, there exists identity element E also belongs to the set Q, such that A star E is equal to A, E star A is equal to A. A star E means A minus E is equal to A. A gets cancelled. Minus E is equal to 0 is the same as E is equal to 0. E star A means E minus A is equal to A. Minus A to the other side, E is equal to 2A. Of course, belongs to the set Q both, but not unique. Not unique. Therefore, identity element does not exist. Since identity element is unique, inverse of an element is also unique. These two are not the same. That's why. Next, number B, given A star B is equal to A square plus B square for all A and B belongs to Q. Let us verify commutative law. For all A comma B belongs to Q, A star B equals A square plus B square. B star A is B square plus A square. From these two, A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Associative law. For all two element A, B, C, for all three element A, B, C belongs to the set Q, A star, B star, C. B star C is nothing but A star B square plus C square. A star X I'll denote, where X equals B square plus C square. This is just like A star B. A star B means A square plus X square. X is B square plus C square the whole square. So expand this, A square B power 4 C power 4 2B square into C square. Say some equation 1. And A star B star C is equal to, A star B can be written as A square plus B square star C. Let me denote this as Y. Y star C. where y is equal to a square plus b square. This is equal to y square plus c square. Y is what? A square plus b square. Y square means a square plus b square the whole square plus c square. Expand this. A square whole square means a power 4 b power 4 plus 2a square b square plus c square. Say some equation 2. From 1 and 2, a star b star c not equal to a star b star c. Therefore, star is not associative. Not associative. Let us verify identity law. For all an element A belongs to the set Q, there exists an identity element E also belongs to the set Q such that A star E equals A, E star A is equal to A. Right? A star E means A square plus E square is equal to A. By definition, E square equals A minus A square. So, E equals root of A square minus A square. A minus A square does not belongs to set Q. Because if I select A as 2, 2 minus 2 square is 4, 2 minus 4 means if I select A as 2, E is equal to root of 2 minus 4 minus 2. Minus 2, root of minus 2 does not belongs to Q, So that's why identity element does not exist. The same explanation. C. Given A star B is equal to A plus AB for all A comma B belongs to Q. Let us verify commutative law. For all two elements A and B belongs to the set Q, A star B is equal to A plus AB. B star A is B plus BA. This is A whereas this is B. These two are same, no problem. A, this is B. Clearly, A star B not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative. Not commutative. Associative law. For all A comma B comma C belongs to the set Q, A star B star C, that is A star B star C is nothing but B plus BC, So let me denote this as some X, A star X, where X is equal to B plus BC. This is just like A star B, A plus AB, A plus AX. Resubstitute X as B plus BC. That is nothing but A plus A into B plus BC. Right? So that means AB plus ABC. Say some equation 1. And A star B star C. Look at A star B. A plus AB star C. Let me denote this as some Y. Y equals A plus AB. Y star C means what? Y plus Y into C. Resubstitute Y, A plus AB plus C into A plus AB. So, AC, ABC. So, A plus AB plus AC plus ABC. Say some 2. From 1 and 2, A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Not associative. Then, identity law. For all an element A belongs to the set Q, there exists E also belongs to set Q such that A star E equals A, E star A equals A. A star E means what? A plus AE is equal to A. A gets cancelled. AE is equal to 0. Since A cannot be 0, E is equal to 0. Belongs to the set Q, of course. E star A equals A can be written as E plus EA is equal to A. Between these two, I just take E common. 1 plus A is equal to A. So, E equals A divided by 1 plus A. So, this does not belongs to Q if A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. Minus 1, anything by 0 is infinity, does not belongs to Q. So, of course, identity element is unique. Identity element does not exist. Number D. Given A star B is equal to A minus B the whole square for all A comma B belongs to Q. Let us verify commutative law. For all two elements A and B belongs to the set Q, A star B equals A minus B the whole square. Expansion is this. B star A is B minus A whole square. This is the expansion. Both are one and the same. So clearly A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Let us verify associative law. For all A, B, C belongs to the set Q, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C can be written as B minus C the whole square. That is A star X. Let me denote this as some X. A star X means A minus X the whole square, where X equals this. A in place of X, B minus C the whole square, say some equation 1. Of course, you can simplify further, and A star B star C is equal to A minus B the whole square star C. A star B is A minus B whole square. Let me denote this as some Y. Y equals A minus B whole square star C. Y minus C the whole square, this is in place of Y, A minus B whole square minus C the whole square. Look at 1 and 2. Clearly, these two are not same obviously. Obviously, these two are not same. That means star is not associative. Identity law. For all an element A belongs to the set Q, there exists an identity element E also belongs to the same set Q, such that A star E is equal to A and E star A is equal to A. A star E means A minus E the whole square equals A. A minus E equals root A. So, A minus root A, shift E to the other side, root A to the LHS. A minus root A does not belongs to Q for all A are negative. So, if I take A as minus 1, root of minus 1 is complex number, does not belongs to Q. Similarly, E star A means E minus A the whole square is equal to A. E minus A equals root A. So that E equals root A plus A again does not belongs to Q if A or for all negative numbers. I have taken only one example. Therefore, identity element does not exist. Number E. Given A star E is equal to AB divided by 4 for all A comma B belongs to Q. They ask us to find the identity element in the year annual 15 and supplementary 2017 2 mark. Commutative law, of course, it's there in the handbook also. Commutative law. For all A comma B belongs to the set Q, A star B is equal to AB divided by 4. B star A is equal to BA divided by 4. This implies A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Let us verify associative law. For all A, B, C belongs to the set Q, then A star B star C. Observe B star C. B star C is equal to A star BC divided by 4. Let me denote this as some X. A star X, where X is equal to BC by 4. A star X means what? AX divided by 4. Resubstitute for X. resubstitute for x. So a star b star c equals a by 4 into x is bc by 4, you know. So ABC divided by 16, say some equation 1. Only associative law they asked in 17, okay. And A star B star C is equal to, A star B is what? AB divided by 4 star C. Let me denote it as Y. Y equals AB by 4. So A star B, this is of the form Y into C divided by 4. But what is Y actually? AB divided by 4 into C by 4 as it is. So that ABC divided by 4 into 4, 16. Say some equation 2. From 1 and 2, this is ABC by 16. This is also A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is associative. Identity law. For all A belongs to the set Q, there exists E also belongs to the set Q, such that A star E equals A and E star A is equal to A. So, AE divided by 4 is equal to A. A gets cancelled, cross multiply, E is equal to 4. E is an element of Q. E star A equals A means E into A divided by 4. Here also A gets cancelled, E is equal to 4, belongs to Q. So in annual 2015, they ask us to find only identity element for the defined operation. So E is equal to 4, unique, you know, unique, identity element is unique, same. So E equals 4 is the identity element. F, given A star B equals A B square, for all A comma B belongs to Q. A star B means A B square. Let us verify commutative law. For all A comma B belongs to the set Q, A star B means what? A B square. A B square. B star A means what? B A square. From these two, A star B not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. A B square and B A square are not one and the same. Let us verify associative law. For all A comma B comma C belongs to Q, then A star B star C. B star C is what? B C square. Let me denote this as some X. So that A star X, where X equals BC square. A star X can be written as AX square. That is A into BC square, the whole square means A B square C square whole square means C power 4. That is A star B star C. Call it as equation 1. And A star B star C is equal to A B square star C. Let me denote this as some Y, where Y equals A B square. Y star C means Y C square. Resubstitute Y. A B square into C square means A B square C square. Call it as equation 2. Observe 1 and 2. A star B star C not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Let us verify identity law. For all an element A belongs to the set Q, there exists E belongs to Q, such that A star E is equal to A, E star A is equal to A. A star E means A E square is equal to A. E A square is equal to A. This means what? A gets cancelled. E square equals 1 means E equals plus or minus 1 belongs to Q. This is E A square is equal to A. One of the A gets cancelled. E into A equals 1 means E equals 1 by A. If A equals 0, does not belongs to Q. Of course, E is not unique. Therefore, identity element does not exist. 12th one, an exercise problem. It's a very good question. Let A is equal to n cross n, cross product, and star be a binary operation on A defined by, since it is n cross n, cross product, so element should be an ordered pair. A comma B star C comma D defined as A plus C, B plus D, A plus C, B plus D. Show that star is commutative and associative. Find the identity if it exists. Solution. Given A comma B star C comma D means A plus C, comma B plus D. This is how they have defined. For all A comma B, C comma D are the elements of the cross product, belongs to n cross n, nothing but belongs to A. Let us verify commutative law. This is one element, this is another element. For all two elements, A comma B and C comma D belongs to n cross n, nothing but A. A star B, that is A comma B star C comma D means A plus C comma B plus D. Similarly, B star A means C comma D star A comma B, nothing but C plus A, D plus B. These two are one and the same. Therefore, A comma B star C comma D is equal to C comma D star A comma B. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Let us verify associative law. For three elements A comma B, C comma D and E comma F belongs to the set A, then A comma B star C comma D star E comma F, this is equal to A comma B as it is star. This can be written as A C plus E comma D plus F. Again A comma A plus C plus E, A plus C plus E comma B plus D plus F. So that is this, say some equation 1, and A comma B star C comma D star E comma F. Apply the definition. A plus C comma B plus D star E comma F. Again apply the definition. A plus C plus E comma B plus D plus F. Say some equation 2. Clearly from 1 and 2 these two are equal. Therefore star is associative. Let us verify identity law. So here ordered pair is an element, since it is n cross n, cross product. For all an element A comma B belongs to the set A, there exists an identity element. You should not take E as the identity element. E comma E dash is an element belongs to n cross n, such that A star E is equal to A, that is A comma B star A comma E dash is equal to A comma B. Apply the definition. A plus E comma B plus E dash equals A comma B. These two ordered pairs are equal provided the first elements are equal. A plus E is equal to A. A gets cancelled, E equals 0. And the second elements are equal. B plus E dash equals B. B gets cancelled, E dash equals 0. That means E comma E dash equals 0 comma 0 does not belongs to n cross n, since 0 does not belongs to n. Similarly, E star A is equal to A as per the definition of identity, that is E comma E dash star A comma B is equal to A comma B. So apply the definition. E plus A comma E dash plus B is equal to A comma B. That is first elements are equal. These two ordered pairs are equal provided the first element E plus A equals A and the second elements E dash plus B is equal to B. A gets cancelled here, E equals 0. B gets cancelled, E equals 0. That means E comma E dash equals 0 comma 0 does not belongs to n cross n. Therefore, identity element does not exist. It's a good problem. Please go through this properly.